for an affirmative answer.
Beau, what you doing?
I'm doing the crossword puzzles today's paper. This is so hard.
Let me see if I can help.
Sure, this one's been stumping me.
What the fuck? This is...
What's a three-letter word for
poop.
cold cubes?
I don't like it.
Cold cubes? What are cold cubes?
I don't know, maybe ice?
Let me see if that fits.
I cut it out, Beau. Flip over to the want ads and let's see who's hiring.
Like a job?
You get money for it.
Oh yeah, well, let me see. Zub, experience needed. Zub, must have certification. Zub, must be able to work well with others.
Give me that paper. Looky here. Help wanted. No experience necessary. Sounds like Beau's qualified so far.
Yeah, keep reading.
Lots of green pigs are stealing our eggs. Looking for experienced badasses to teach them pigs a lesson. Apply in person.
I don't know, Beau. Sounds dangerous.
Well, dangerous is my middle name.
I thought your middle name was Templeton.
You know what I mean.
I'll just say this. You better not get
Well, at least this got us out of the house.
Yeah, can't wait to see what the boss wants us to do.
Didn't you boys read the fine print?
What fine print?
That fine
print. Thank you in advance for your work. This is war with them pigs, and let's go get them eggs back.
But I don't get it. Just take a look over there.
Jolly good. Now give him hell, soldier. Will do, Sarge. I think I broke my wing.
Will you fool birds learn you just can't beat us? Never. Right, boys? Right. I'm not so sure about this. I'm just glad I brought my shotgun.
Now listen, lad. Just get in there and tear him a new one.
Yeah, but everyone else got pretty banged up. No, flips out.
Not for the hospital. Out going to the hospital. We don't offer workman's comp. Just rub some dirt on it, and it'll be better before you know it.
I don't know, Beau. Jaylene told...
Just always stand.
Oh, when you put it that way...
Hey, this is fun.
So, you better start using that shotgun of yours while you still can.
What weapon do you have?
I didn't bring anything. Try spitting then. Good shot.
Uh-oh, all out of ammo.
Beau, are you still alive?
How do I look?
Well, I've seen worse, I think.
Do you think Jaylene will notice?
I think she already did.
God damn it, Beau. I told you not to get hurt. Now look what you went and did. Well, at least tell me how much you got paid.
I don't know. He never said.
Well, I'll go straighten this out now. All right, you dirty son of a bitch. Where's my husband's pay?
Oh, his $2 are in the mail.
$2?
Yes'm.
You busted up my husband for $2 lousy dollars?
That pretty much sums it up.
Here, take your $2 lousy dollars. You're right, that pretty much sums it up, like you said. Now don't it?